Hi guys, welcome. If you're like most people I talk to in the online business world, we just got the tool you need. Introducing Websites Tools, the all-in-one ninja tool with 24 different pop-ups and widgets for every online business or e-commerce store. Okay, so you've tried a whole lot of different ways to boost your online conversion rates and sales for your online business as e-commerce store. I totally understand if the results were not what you expected. Does any of this sound familiar? You're spending a whole lot of money on ad campaigns to drive traffic to your store. You're hiring top marketers and SEO specialists to boost search engine rankings. You already send a zillion emails and discount coupons to your email list. And yes, you're getting a lot of traffic on your web pages and online store, but conversion and sales are just not happening. Websites tools is just the solution you're looking for. Yes, you heard me right. Just by pasting a single line of code on your website or e-commerce store, capture emails, phone numbers, create FOMO with clock countdown, pop-ups, discount pop-ups, build trust instantly and get visitors to engage with your pop-ups, social conversion proof pop-ups, and finally visitors love to see customer reviews. And website tools offers you customer review pop-ups as well as video pop-ups. Did we forget anything? Just look up the 24/7 help desk and find all the questions and answers you need. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today for a free account with just your email ID, no credit card required. Thank you for watching this video and see you inside Websites Tools login dashboard. Bye.